Maybe you want to have remote access to your energy measurement of your smart home? If yes, I will show you one way to do it. We'll use the Dataplicity application as it's the most common way to get remote access to your EmonCMS, and in my opinion is also most convenient. Let's see the tutorial.
We will use the Dataplicity platform. Let's open the dataplicity.com, and here in the welcome screen we need to provide our email in the appropriate window. After clicking the start button and refreshing page, we'll have special code we need to copy, and after logging with SSH to our Raspberry Pi, we need to paste that code. That will install Dataplicity in our device. After installation is complete, we can go back to the Dataplicity page, and here in the Devices tab, we can find our EmonCMS device. Here we need to enable wormhole feature, and under that we'll find a link using which we can open our device from any place in the world. Let's copy it and try with our browser. Cool! We can open our EmonCMS dashboard through the Dataplicity. Now you can access your energy measurement from any place in the world.
And this is it. That was in fact everything you need to do. Thank you for watching, see you next time.